If you're interested in seeing how I make these delicious and appetizing saltfish fritters, please stay tuned to the video. Hi and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I make my saltfish fritters. Okay, so in this bowl, I have 2.5 cups of flour, and I'm gonna be adding some black pepper, and this is 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and just a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna mix this into the flour. Guys, and just in case you want to know the brand of Cajun seasoning that I use, this is it, the Cool Runnings Cajun seasoning. Okay, so we're gonna mix that up, and then we're gonna be adding our herbs and spices. So here I have my tomato, my onion, green onion, some garlic, sweet pepper, and some hot Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're gonna add this in to our flour, and I also have some thyme. And then we're gonna add our saltfish. So this saltfish, I already scald it and pick it up. So I separated it. That's what pick up mean when you hear Jamaicans say pick up the saltfish. So I've already separated it. So I boiled it, then separated it. Okay, so I'm gonna add that in. And then you're gonna mix everything together. No. And now we're gonna go ahead and add our water. You're gonna mix that in. So you're just gonna mix these in together. We're gonna make a nice mix with it. So you're gonna mix this into a nice flour batter. And then while we're doing this, guys, you can have your pot of oil on the stove heating up. So now that we have our batter nicely mixed, we're gonna move over to the stove. And this is what it should look like. So guys, we have our pot of oil on the stove and it's hot. So I'm just gonna take big spoonfuls of the saltfish fritters mix and just drop it into the pot of hot oil. And you're gonna fry them until they're golden brown on each side. So this is how you want it to look. You don't want it to be too pale. So there you have it, guys, my saltfish fritters. I hope you learned something new in this video. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.